Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to export the data from your Tally ERP9 software. For the purpose of exporting any data from your Tally, Alt plus E is the shortcut. So Alt plus E is used as a shortcut to export anything from your Tally ERP9. Suppose I want to export my balance sheet, then I just go to balance sheet. I will select my period. Suppose I am selecting 1 for 2020 to 31st March 2021, and I just press here export button, or I just press Alt plus E from my keyboard. You will find the exporting function window. Here I have to select whether default. Here I have to select my format. Suppose I am selecting Excel. You can select PDF, XML, JPEG, HTML, at whatever. Here I have to write my path where I want to export my data. So I am writing my path. Here I have to write my file name. This is my balance sheet C20. This is my balance sheet. Output sheet name is my balance sheet. Update existing. If you want to open the exported file automatically, just select here yes. The file as and when exported, it will open automatically. Here you have to select whether you want detailed balance sheet or condensed. If you want vertical balance sheet, then select yes, otherwise select no. If you want percentage, select yes, otherwise no. If you want profit or loss both as a liability, then select yes, otherwise no. If you want working capital figure in your balance sheet, select yes, otherwise no. Whether your balance sheet as per asset or liability, or as per liability or asset, you have to choose, and just press enter. Your exporting to Excel balance sheet is start. It will take some time. The export is going on. Now we have selected that open exported file as and when export complete. So my Excel file is open automatically as I have selected open export file as a yes. So this is my balance sheet of Tally. You will see that this is balance sheet of PQR Limited. Same figure and same format you will find here that. Now suppose you want to export your stock summary, just go to stock summary, select enter, just press export button or press Alt plus E, just press backspace. Here suppose you want to choose PDF, select PDF. Here I have to write my path. Here I have to write my file name, so I am skipping is stock summary. Whether I have to select my page type, I am selecting here A4. Whether it is portrait or landscape, I can choose. Whether I want to open, I am selecting here no. Whether you want detail or condense, so I am selecting detail. Whether expand all level of format, if you want to detailize your stock summary, just select yes. So all accounts, whether you want to see empty account, select yes. If you want to see opening balance, goods inwards and outward, select yes, and just press enter. Your export is done. You will find that this is my desktop. Here my file is exported from Tally. The file is automatically not open because we have selected open export file as a no. So it will not open. This is my PQR Limited stock summary. As I have selected detail format, that is I have selected opening balance inward and outward as a yes. So I am getting all the detail for my stock summary. So in this way you can export the data from your Tally ERP9. Suppose I want to export my ledger, then I have to go to display accounting book and ledger. I can select a particular ledger and just press export. your export menu will appear. Here you can configure as per your requirement and your export will be done. Suppose you want to export trial balance, just go to trial balance, select export button or Alt plus E. The export menu will appear. Here you can choose as a JPEG image. Here you can choose as a path as per your requirement. You can choose your path or you can choose your format as per your requirement. If you want opening balance, then select yes. If you don't want transaction, then select no. If you want closing balance, select yes. Whether you want all empty accounts, select yes. Whether you want expand detail format, then also you can select yes, otherwise select no. So I am exporting. Here you will find that my image trial balance is appear. I can show you. This is my image trial balance. You can zoom it out and you can see that this is trial balance of PQR Limited. This is the period, this is opening balance, this is closing balance. As we have selected debit or credit, that is transaction as a no, so only opening and closing is appear. So in this way you can export anything from your Tally ERP 9. So I hope you will understand this concept. In the next video we will discuss another features about Tally. Thank you.